channel. I'm so happy you're here. I bet you'll never guess what I'm up to today. Well, as you all know, on October 4th, the Happy Planner came out with the new Disney collection. And guess who was in line at JoAnn's to try to get my hands on all the fun stuff. And I kind of succeeded. So I'm gonna have a two-part video. One will be a haul. I'll show you all the stuff that we were able to get at JoAnn's, and then of course we had to order some stuff on the Happy Planner website because there was a couple people in line with us, so we were all kind of like grabbing at things. So yeah, that was an experience. But then we did get a chance to also order on the Happy Planner website and got the other things that we weren't able to get in the store. So stay tuned and let's have some Disney fun.
Hey guys, okay, so in this little box, I have the items that we got from JoAnn's and from the Happy Planner website for the Happy Planner Disney collaboration collection. And oh my goodness, you guys, it is so adorable. You know, at first I was like kind of excited for it. Well, I was very excited for it, but when I saw that it was like all Mickey and Minnie, I was like, well, you know, I love Disney, but I'm not a huge fanatic like my daughter. But I mean, I love it. I love Disney, of course, but you know, like I was like, oh, maybe I'll get a sticker book here and there. But when we actually saw everything live and in color, oh my gosh, the game changed and I wanted it all. Although I did kind of hold back. I think I pretty much got everything that we wanted. Both my daughter and I, she's a huge Disney fan, so she wanted a bunch of stuff, the sticker books, and a couple of other things. So in this, I put everything in the box. I have what we got from the Happy Planner website and what we got from JoAnn's. We were there bright and early. First, second ones in line. And, the store that we went to, because it was when we were in Charleston for my birthday, because this collaboration came out in JoAnn's on October 4th. But regardless, I wanted to go and see what we could get our hands on because I knew by the time I got back to Miami, there was not going to be anything left. So we did go to a JoAnn's there in Charleston. And I mean, we did pretty good. I think we were able to get like all 3 sticker books. But obviously we wanted 2 of everything because my daughter wanted some stuff as well. Anyway, let me show you what we got. So the first... the things on top is what we got from JoAnn's. And let's see if you can see that. So it's this. Okay, so we got the little mini sticker pad. And I'll just quickly show you each thing, and then I will open it up and show you the stickers, which I'm sure you've seen tons of them already. But this is the mini sticker pad. We were able to get these 2 and the third one. My daughter kept one, and then we ordered another one through the Happy Planner site. So these 2 sticker books, this was all from JoAnn's. This, which I love Minnie, so I thought this was super cute. It's just a Happy Notes with Minnie on it, and there's multiple uses for this, so I said, yep, I'm sure I can take advantage of that. And then this is the budget guided happy journal, again with Minnie on it. I guess I'm more partial to Minnie, more partial to Minnie than Mickey, but I mean, whatever. I love them both. They're super cute, but I tend to favor Minnie. I know, I'm sorry, but I do. I love everything Minnie, so I figured I'd get this, and I thought this would be a great way to just kind of, I mean, there is a magic in savings, and I think, I truly believe that. And when you save, like your parents always say, save for a rainy day. And those rainy days seem to be coming more and more. So saving is definitely something that I want to continue doing. And I thought this would be something really cute to try. Okay, so those are the items that we got from JoAnn's. My daughter did get the dashboards, and then she also got the other sticker book, like I said. And then this is what came from the Happy Planner. So this was the stuff that so it was really funny at at JoAnn's. So when we got there, the store wasn't open yet, and but there was one other lady in line. Actually, she was waiting in her car. So were we. And then as it got close to 9 o'clock, I think it was 9 o'clock when they opened, either 9 or 10. But when it got close to the time for them to open, we all got out of our cars and were standing in front of the store. So the older lady was there, and it's funny because my daughter and I were like, yeah, no, she's probably not here for the Disney collection. Well, let me tell you, we were wrong because she was like the first one to run in there and, go for the Disney stuff. So what was funny though is that they didn't have anything out. We all went through, we fast walked, I guess, if you want to call it. We didn't run, but we fast walked over to the Happy Planner and the planner section, and there was nothing. So then I was walking towards look for the cashier, the manager, and then the other lady who was there before us, she had already gone to the cashier to ask her, where is the Disney stuff? And then lo and behold, the manager went back in their stock room and brought out like a bin full of all this stuff, right? So everything that she only had 2 of, and there was 3 of us wanting stuff. So as she was pulling things out, we were like, okay, I'll take this, I'll take that, and it was kind of like first grab, first serve kind of thing. And it was a little chaotic, but luckily there wasn't like a huge amount of people because then that would have been crazy. And I think, everyone got a little bit of everything. We weren't greedy or anything like that. Everyone kind of took what they wanted and, and whatnot. So I think, we did okay. We really did okay. So then the items that the JoAnn's didn't have, we went on the Happy Planner site. So we got another one of these sticker books because each my daughter and I both wanted this. We got the little pen holders, one for her, one for me. And then I wanted these half sheets because, these are so cute. And look at Minnie, how adorable she is there. I just love it. Oh my gosh. You can never have enough of these papers. So I figured yes. And then I think these dashboards, I believe, are for my daughter. Or did I get these? I don't know. No, I think these are for my daughter. Because I didn't get an actual planner because I already have 2 other planners. I'm going to be using the Teresa Collins planner for 2021. And I will also have the Teresa Collins Franklin planner. So I think I'm good for planners for 2021. So, a lot of these other items would just be things that either I put in my planner or, I have a separate, Happy Notes notebook or whatever. And then the other thing that we did get was this dashboard that we did get them. This, not the dashboard. What is this? This is the planner accessory pack. We were able to get this at JoAnn's, but again, I wanted one as well. So we were able to get this. So yeah, so this is everything. Let me just move this box out of the way and let me show you everything we got. I am beyond excited that we were able to get this. Stuff is super, super cute. Like, you just can't go wrong. You just can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Oh my God, so adorable. I absolutely love all of this. I can't wait to start using the stickers. I haven't decided which one I'm going to use, but I know I'm definitely going to be using the pink, the black, and the gold. That is absolutely for sure my first spread that I will do. But these are super cute. I know there's tons of flip throughs on on YouTube. So I'm not going to go in depth, but definitely if you do want me to go, that you haven't seen it yet, I will be more than happy to. Just leave a comment down below and I will do a complete flip through of all these. But just so that you get a quick little sneak peek. Oh, look at the pink and the black. Oh, I'm so in love with that. When I saw that, I was like, oh yeah, I got to get it. I'm not a huge fan of all the other colors. These are main Disney colors, but they're going to be cute. And Christmas is coming up. So the black and the red, I'm going to be doing a Christmas countdown. So each day I'm going to have, I'm putting together a separate little book. And each day I'm going to do like a planner spread, a note spread. I don't know. I haven't exactly decided what I'm going to do each day, but each day I'm creating a, oh my God, these are so beautiful. Okay, sorry. Each day I'm creating, just something, and I'm going to either journal or I'm going to write down what I did that day. I want to really, just keep track of December. Actually, November and December. November, I think I'm going to do like a decorated gratitude journal. So each day I will write down either something that I'm grateful for in general or something that happened that day that I'm grateful for. And then, of course, all nicely decorated. So I've got obviously tons of stuff to work with here, and I am so excited. Again, these are so cute. And it's awesome that it's blank pages, so you can do so much with this budget journal. Really cute because it asks you a lot of, just a lot of bunch questions. And I believe there's still stuff on the Happy Planner site. I don't think everything is sold out yet. I mean, again, they came out with so many planners this year that it's like, how can you decide? But I mean, Disney is Disney, so you can't go wrong. This is universal. This can go on forever and ever. And that's why I didn't want things that were dated, because, I may not use this right now, but I will incorporate it here and there. So yeah, so I'm super excited. I'm so glad we got everything. This is a great birthday present, and I absolutely love everything that we got. Of course, my daughter treated me to most of this as my birthday gift, so I'm so grateful for her and so thankful. And yeah, so stay tuned. In my next video, I will be doing a plan with me, and we'll be able to use some of these awesome, cute Disney stickers, which are so adorable. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, guys, well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified each and every time I load a new video. Have a wonderful, happy Disney day. Bye.